Welcome to AK classes.
Good morning. How have you been feeling since you were discharged from the hospital?
Good morning, doctor. I felt much weaker and very tired since the heart attack. I'm really worried that any physical activity, like walking, gardening, or swimming, might bring on another heart attack.
It's normal to feel weaker and more tired after a heart attack. Recovery can take about 4 to 6 weeks for your energy levels to return fully. Remember that recovery is gradual, and making some lifestyle changes along with taking your medications as prescribed will help. Moderate physical activity is actually beneficial for your heart health and overall well-being.
That's good to know. So, how much physical activity should I start with?
Given that your recovery has been uncomplicated and it's been 2 weeks since your hospital admission, I recommend starting with light activities like walking. Begin with short walks and gradually increase the duration as you feel more comfortable. It's also important to join a cardiac rehabilitation program, which will help you increase your exercise tolerance under supervision.
Okay, I'll look into the rehabilitation program. By the way, I'm an office worker and I sit at a desk all day. I don't get much exercise at work.
For your job, you should aim to return to work in about 4 to 6 weeks, but only when you feel physically and emotionally ready. It's important not to rush back and to plan your return with assistance and support from your employer. Incorporating light physical activities during your workday, such as short walks or stretching exercises, can also be beneficial.
I'm also worried about having another heart attack. What can I do to reduce the risk?
That's a valid concern. To reduce the risk of future heart attacks, focus on a healthy diet rich in vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Staying physically active is important, as is maintaining a healthy weight. Avoid smoking and limit your alcohol intake. Managing stress is also crucial, so consider practices like meditation or yoga. Regular follow-ups with your doctor and adhering to your medication regimen are also key.
Thank you. This information has been very helpful. I'll try to gradually do more exercise and look into the rehabilitation program.
Thank you for sharing your concerns with me. It's completely normal and appropriate to feel the way you do, given your symptoms and situation. Many patients experience similar feelings. The good news is that with the right care and attention, these symptoms can improve significantly. We'll work together on a treatment plan that's tailored to your needs, and over time, you should start to feel much better.